He was a small man with quick movements, a man who seemed to be able to get through a great amount of work in no time at all, full stop. He seemed, to remember the smallest details of everything that had happened, full stop. He remembered the names of all of his customers, and he always considered their personalities when writing or speaking to them, full stop. He often used to remark that it was not only the quality of a product that made it easy to sell a thing, it was also an understanding of the person to whom the goods were to be sold, full stop. If the customer liked you and believed that you liked him, he used to say, the sale was already half a way towards being made, full stop. Para. Having read through the morning's letters, which he liked to open himself, Mr. White called Miss West into his office to take down some answers, full stop. Penny went off, as she did each morning during the winter months, to heat up some milk, full stop. She took this in for Mr. White and Miss West, full stop. Often, however, Miss West's milk went cold because, as she said, he never stops speaking for long enough for me to touch it, sign of exclamation. In the summer months, of course, the morning drink was something very cold, and Miss West's trouble was that it became warm before she could touch it, sign of exclamation. Para. And so the events of the day were much as they always were, full stop. As it was a Wednesday, however, Penny went out at 12:30 to a little place near to the office where the meal were rather better than at most places which were within her means, full stop. The meal cost a little more than on other days of the week, but she went there happily because six girls of her own age and from her old school met there each Wednesday to have a meal together and to exchange news and views, full stop. Penny looked forward to these Wednesday meetings very much, full stop. The girls talked freely of any difficulties they met with in their work, and she was able to learn more about office life in this way than would have been possible in one small office, full stop.